In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Amex gift card in Sam's Club 2026. First, open your web browser and head to the official Sam's Club website. If you're a member, it's a good idea to sign in so you can see accurate pricing and availability for your area. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded and that you're seeing the main navigation across the top. This helps the next steps appear exactly where we expect them. Next, look for the departments option in the site's main menu. Click that to open the full list of categories. Scroll down the departments until you find the section for gift cards. It may be grouped with related categories, so take your time scanning the list. When you see gift cards, click it to open the dedicated gift card area. Inside the gift card section, locate the category that groups the major payment network cards together. This will be labeled something like Amex, Visa, and MasterCard. Click that category to focus your results on those branded gift cards. You should now be in a view that's specific to these cards, and you'll usually notice filtering tools along the top menu or near the product results. Find the filter labeled Gift Card Type. Click it to open the available options, then choose American Express. This will narrow the page to show only Amex gift cards, which makes comparing options much easier. If you also see filters for delivery or fulfillment, just be aware that many of these cards are shipped physically. Select options that match how you want to receive the card, but keep your focus on American Express for now. Browse the American Express gift card listings that appear. Look closely at the card denominations, any activation or purchase fees, and the product details to confirm the card fits your needs. Some cards come in fixed amounts, while others may have variable load ranges. The details section will tell you exactly what's included. When you find the Amex gift card you prefer, click into its product page for a final review of pricing, fees, and shipping information. When everything looks right, click Add to Cart. You should see a confirmation that the item has been placed in your cart. From here, you can review your cart at any time to verify quantity and details. That's it. By navigating to departments, selecting gift cards, filtering by Amex, and choosing American Express under gift card type, you've quickly zeroed in on the right product and added it to your cart. Remember to review fees and terms on the product page so there are no surprises later.